Back out here today. I'm aiming for some of these dace. Vivian is trying for a rainbow darter, which I got yesterday. And we're gonna see if we can each get a new species. We know where they are, so that's a big help. It's just a matter of getting them to bite, and it's not easy. Getting them to bite, hooking them, getting them all the way out of the water. Doing all those together is a lot harder than you might think. But we have about an hour to fish before we need to leave today. And we're gonna give it a shot. All right, let's see if we can find some of these little turds. Whoa, there's a big trout. There's a big trout that just swam under here. Must have got spooked. Oh, they're biting it. Biting it, but I didn't get them hooked. Try again. Might have got my worm that time. Yeah, they did. Those little suckers. Alright, well, at least they're feeding, I guess. Yeah, there's some bigger ones. Here's some bigger something down here. Got one. Got one, Viv. Something. Might just be a shiner, I can't tell.
Dang.
Dang, I noticed they were a little bigger. No, I couldn't get those guys on. That's probably, well, I couldn't. Doesn't mean you can't. All right. These bigger ones are shiners. Probably a common shiner. I'm not my target species. Did you even see any of the darters over there, Viv?
No.
What? They moved? All right, back in, dude. Ah, he's swimming. He's swimming in my crock. He's in my foot. There, I think he got out, hopefully. Oh no, he's still in there. He's gonna get squished under my foot. He's trapped in my crock. Get out, dude.
Rick, one of them fell.
Oh. Get him?
I can't get him.
He robbed me. Dang it.
Get the one I want.
These little guys are freaking bait thieves.
No, I don't want you. I want that one. Look, there's a second one.
I saw one that looked a little different down there.
This one.
I'm going to go look around and see if I can find some more darters. Okay. Oh my gosh, actually, my hook freaking came off, and that's why he got off. That's not cool.
Bad knot.
Well, no, because I used my pliers earlier to pull it off the other fish, so I probably damaged it a little bit. Got one. Got one, Viv. Oh no! Oh, he got away. Got one. I think I got him good this time. Viv, photo tank. Yeah, I think this is definitely a dace. Let's see if I can get him. Don't know where the tank is. Definitely got him hooked in the mouth. I'm pretty sure this is I think it's an eastern red-bellied dace, but it's not in spawning colors. On the side where my hand's at, he's posing perfectly.
Well,
I suppose if I move it, he won't do it anymore. There we go. There we go. Okay, nice. I got him. Yeah, he's one of those guys down there. All right, now we need to find Viv a rainbow darter. I'm going to start hunting for you. I'm going to go back over. I don't see any darters here yet.
No.
Stop. Yesterday, they were hanging out under this log over here. Oh, I saw movement. Hold on. Yep, there's a little one over there. Not a big male.
full in water in order to...
Well, you just gotta... Whoa, that one's moving. It's a little harder when the sun's not shining. Okay, I see a little tiny one. I haven't seen a big one yet. When you're walking, keep your eyes down, because when they move, you can spot one, and then that helps. It's kind of like mushrooms. It can help you spot another one. Like right there. So I just saw one go into this weed pile, away from you, Heather. Let's see if there's any more down there. I saw one in here, Viv, for sure. Yeah, I see one. Come here, Viv. There's a bunch of them. They're a little skittish. There's one sitting right out in the open, right there on that sand patch in the crescent, and there's a whole bunch of them right next to it. So if you put it up in front of him and bring him down, you might be able to get it. Oh, you pulled him up. He just wasn't hooked. Oh, there went a big one and that just darted in there. So there's a bunch of them down there. All right, you got your spot. Heather, do you have the photo tank? Can you put some water in it so it's ready to put the fish in it when Vivian hopefully pulls one out? You have to concentrate and have patience, Vivian. Keep working that spot. I'll see if I find another one with some good ones. There's at least 3 or 4 in there. They're all in this wood. Right in the middle there, I saw a couple of them. It's a little hard to see them in the shade, but they're definitely down in here. I'll keep looking up here, see if I see any better spot. Right in there. Just drop it in. Oh, there's one. Little one, though. Stupid mosquitoes. Oh. Just drop it right up in there. See if anything can attracts to it. Did you get a brook trout yet?
Yeah, there's literally 20. They're all right in front of me.
Do you want a little bit longer worm to put on?
Me? Yeah.
All right, well, you have to carefully come over here.
That was my bait puck.
I can throw my bait puck over there if you want.
I don't know how that's going to go.
Well, just don't let it float down the river. Have Miles be ready. Miles, stand right there. I want you to grab this.
Get it. Ow.
What?
Give it. No, give it.
No, give it to Vivian. I'm sorry, honey. Need the net? All right, I'm coming. Heather, hold my rod. Keep him on, Viv. Don't lose him. Do you think it's a brook? Let him go. Twist your body that way. I'm going to come from that direction. Looks like a rainbow, maybe. I'm going to come around. Oh, that's deep. I got to walk down here a little bit. Whoa. Holy crap, I can't go that way.
No, just go that way and around.
I can't, dude. Okay, hold on.
That's where I went.
I just stepped in a giant hole. Here, bring him this way. See how big he is.
TV? For rainbow?
I don't know. Let's see.
I bet.
Can't quite tell. Oh, he's bigger than I thought.
He's bigger than I thought. Mm-hmm. Bigger than my TV?
Hold on. There. I'm going to call him 13 or 13 and a half. Pushing 14 probably.
Net man, you suck.
Oh, well, you got to get him close enough to the net, dear.
There we go.
There's another one. He's a little smaller.
Okay, this is fun. More net. Wait, what is this?
He's got another one.
Brown? Brook?
Rainbow, I think.
What?
I don't know.
Red spots.
Oh, brown.
Baby brown?
Brown, yep. I'm going to get him unhooked. Don't put him on the rocks, kiddo. Put him in.
Bye bye. And it's still on my worm.
Alright. No, your worm flopped off.
What?
Oh, it's still on there, actually. Well, you have the net.
Can you net him? Can you net him? Oh, there he comes.
Rocks, watch him. It's a big one.
Decent one.
Yep.
That's a big one.
It's about the same size as that other one. He's probably 12 or 13 at least. There you go, buddy.
Vivian's happy because she doesn't have to exercise much patience in this spot. So, oh God. You basically throw your pole in and you're getting a fish. So, she's in heaven. 20 minutes earlier, she was like, I hate fishing. This is so boring. So, finding a honey spot is nice.